Hey friends, I'm so excited to start an energy experiment challenge on Monday, and I want to invite you. And yes, I am coming from the Chicago airport and just can't wait. I've got to send out the invite now because this is going to start on Monday and run for 15 days. If you're like, I don't want to commit to something for 15 days, this is only going to take 60 seconds out of your day for you to do an experiment where you will get to see how frequencies are impacting the world around you using your voice. We're going to do this amazing rice experiment that was first done by Dr. Emoto. If you've ever read this book, it's amazing. I suggest you get a copy, but it's truly outstanding how our voice is impacting the world around us, how frequency energy is impacting the world around us. But I want you to see this for yourself. So we're gonna do this experiment using rice. We're gonna do 3 jars, one that says good, one that says bad, one that you ignore, and every day you're gonna speak over these jars. To the good, you're gonna say like, I love you and you're beautiful, all these things. To the bad, you're gonna say, I hate you, you're disgusting. Negative words over that jar. To the third one, you're gonna ignore it. You're gonna see what happens when rice, simply cooked rice, gets completely ignored. I have done this multiple times, and every time it is further confirmed how very powerful we are as energy generators, but then also the impact we can have on the world around us. So I want you to join me for this. It's free, it's going to be fun, your whole family can get involved, and they also can see the difference because we can do this all together, just speaking positive or negative things over rice. And you know what? Rice made up of mainly what? Water, cooked rice. Same for us, same for our body. So it's going to show a lot of insight into how you can be impacted by that frequency energy of your thoughts and your voice. So if you're interested, please send me a DM, send me a message with your email and your first and last name. I will be having a sign up, but it's not ready just yet. So for now, just send me your email and I'm going to add you to that list. And we're going to get started on Monday. I'll be putting more updates right here on Instagram and Facebook. So I can't wait to connect with you soon.